Welcome to our English lesson. Today we are going to learn some useful daily use sentences. Let's get started. I am waiting for them to return. What time are they coming tomorrow? You were mumbling in your sleep. I am going crazy. I can't connect to the internet. Does it take that long to bring a glass of water? Hasn't he come yet? Isn't that matter sorted out yet? He asked me to come along with him. Think of it that way. I have a lot on my plate. Your mistake could have cost me dearly. You talk as if it's child's play. How did this happen? I get free at this time. I don't get time during the day. I have been looking for Alara. Did you see her? Her phone has been switched off since morning. Isn't it time yet? Isn't it time yet to open the shop? I thought you had gone home. The sugar is finished. We are out of sugar. Here comes the tea. I have done the ironing. Is there anything else to be ironed? Let's go to our respective work. I apologize on his behalf. He is nowhere to be found. Bread and jam are on the table. Each of the chairs is broken. What does it have to do with me? She reminded me to bring milk, but I forgot. Practice these sentences every day and use them while speaking. See you in the next lesson.